During a week in which California topped 100,000 coronavirus cases and the state death toll reached 4,000, Governor Gavin Newsom is empowering county health officers and elected officials to reopen their local economies.
Newsom said state officials have provided guidance for how to reopen specific sectors of the economy, but the timetable for doing so will be created at a local level.
The state puts out the guidelines on how to safely reopen. It's the counties working with their health directors that determine the pace of when, Newsom said.
48 of California's 58 counties have already filed COVID-19 county variance attestation forms that permit them to move more quickly through Stage 2 and into Stage 3 of reopening, but some counties, including many of the most populous in the Bay Area, are working at a slower pace.
What works in Lassen may not work in other parts of the state, Newsom said. What works in Kern may not even work nearby in Tulare County. Each county has its own unique conditions and localism is the foundational principle.
The governor noted San Mateo County and Marin County are two of the Bay Area counties making modifications to their stay-at-home order that will allow for the loosening of local restrictions. San Mateo County announced Friday its updated health order will permit in-person retail and in-person church services to resume with restrictions.
San Francisco, which released an updated health order Thursday, will move more slowly through Stage 2 and wait until July 13 to allow hair salons and barbershops to reopen. During a Thursday press briefing, Mayor London Breed indicated the city may not move into Stage 3 until August.
Newsom said state officials have provided guidance for the reopening of 17 different sectors of the economy, but said no guidance has been created for Stage 4 of a phased approach to reopening, which will include concert venues and sports stadiums hosting fans.
Some will go slowly, some will go a little more quickly, but no one will go forward to concerts, no one will go forward with large conventions and festivals until we are in a much better position than we are today, Newsom said.
The governor said California has given counties permission to reopen significant portions of local economies after analyzing data at the state and local levels. Newsom pointed to the state's 4.1% positivity rate for coronavirus tests over the last 14 days as a number that has stabilized and said increased testing capacity around the state has given health officials an opportunity to begin loosening local stay-at-home orders.
Newsom also cited slight declines in hospitalization and ICU rates as positive signs for the state.
We bent this curve, Newsom said. In fact, we didn't bend it. We never allowed that curve to take off like other parts in this country. We've had stability for weeks and weeks and weeks.
Newsom said he has absolute confidence California will meet its goal of hiring 10,000 contact tracers by July 1 and enabling them to track 3,600 coronavirus cases per day. Over the last 7 days, California has averaged 2,201 new cases per day.